From the morning show, broadcasting live down at the Kroger, Madison and Edgewood on Indy's South Side for the Pillsbury Kroger Giggle-Off. We are giggling down here and having the best time, and we've got our 5 finalists who actually entered by calling the Giggle Hotline over the course of the past several weeks. They are here. They're going to be giggling soon. Somebody is going to win an entire year's worth of groceries from Kroger's. How about a round of applause for Renee? Oh my goodness. Wow. Way to go, Josh. All right. Oh my God. Yay, Kelly!
Okay, that's it.
Yay, Shelby! Today, everybody gets gift certificates from Kroger to go and spend it as they please. Our 5th place finisher gets a $100 Kroger gift certificate. Wow. And that winner is?
That winner is Kelly Skaggs.
Kelly! Congratulations! $100. Buy yourself some flowers, my dear.
Here's your gift certificate.
Thank you.
And we also have a goodie bag for you there.
Yes.
Okay.
$250 to spend at Kroger. Oh, you're just so excited. It's so cute. And the winner, our 4th place runner-up, is Nancy Campbell. Congratulations, Nancy.
Thank you very much.
A $500 worth of gift certificates to spend at Kroger. $500. $500. And that goes to Joshua Downey!
There you go.
Thanks, Josh. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, too cute. All righty. Our first runner-up for $1,000 worth of Kroger goodies. Our first runner-up is Shelby Adams. Congratulations, Shelby.
There you go.
Oh, good job, sweetheart. Wonderful. Which means our winner is for $250 winner, and it is Renee Shufflebike. Congratulations! Isn't that the best? She just won a year's worth of groceries from Kroger's. That's $5,200 worth. Congratulations.
Thank you. I just wanted to say I wanted to donate this money to a minister I know in the inner city. He's a minister of Throne of Grace Church. He's an awesome man of God, and I just want to give this money to him so that he can do with it what he needs. He does a lot of work with the Hispanic community and the needy. So
That is incredible. How wonderful. Over $5,000. Well, Renee, what a big heart you have and what a fabulous laugh. Can we hear it one more time?